Don Omar, J-Doe, Rick the Villain, Bust a Bust.
Exactly how we rollin' and we huggin' every block. No matter how police patrolin' and we do it how we do it. Whether it's now or it's later, and we always handle business. But we got it in this paper. What you mean? As we walk through every gutter, every hood, and every street, and every block, we got it covered. Throwing money while we in the club with shorties on the pole. Let's get it poppin' in this bitch. Me and my clique coming through. That's how we roll.
Blowing fire like a rocket off the blast off.
You know how we roll, you know how we do it. You know we the realest when it come to doing music. You don't wanna see me prove it, baby. If I gotta lose it, then it's out. Turn your radio on, you gon' hear the new one. Shake your spit, hate on this. Why the hell you doing that? How the hell you be a loser? Hating on me, I'm the best. I need this no competition. If there's any, give me more my flows. I'll never get a user for. Don't need a G and a Ouija board to watch it.
Here we go again. Pedal to the metal, now we blowing in the wind. Top back, nigga, better stop that. If you try to front, you already know we kill it to the end. Every day we gotta go secure another win. Put that money where your mouth is spin. Let's get it poppin'. Everybody know that when we in the building. Here we going in. Couple Porsches, couple Bugattis, Phantoms, Derek Lamb lenses, couple of Maybachs, suited and booted, SLR, McLaren, Benches rolling. See the way we holding, see the money folding. Everybody see the way we hit it. Chosen when we hit the road and everything is golden. Y'all already know how we get it. Peel out on they ass, 160 read on the dash, hand on the wheel and my feet on the gas. Got everything on smash. Don Omar, let's get it. Reek the field, J-Doe, what up? See the way we do it, see the way we cut up. Put your money where your mouth is, so shut up. Eagle shots, everybody in that place. Let me see you put your gun up. We gon' pop, ready if we ready. Y'all already know when we run up. We come to take over the streets, y'all niggas know the goal. Every time we put it down, the whole world knows that's how we roll.